just lock back together. And I just realised that I hadn't done a video on how to make your locks key retaining or deadlocking. Most of the time the 234 series will come not deadlocked or not key retaining, so just have a little bit of it. Oh, dog's going. Oi! Shut up in there. How easy it is to change these locks from to deadlocking. So undo the retaining screw. Take that apart. Now, in the back of the cam, you'll find a hole, and in the top of the cam, where it sits up high, you'll find a nice little silver pin sitting in there. It's got a little top on it. In this particular lock, it's been pressed into there. So just take the back of the cam off, or take the cam off the back of the lock. And dog's life in there dreaming away in front of the fire. Just take that off. Now, grab me a little pair of tweezers. There he is there. So I'll just poke him out. Drop out onto the floor. Now, the pin's got a, you're not going to see that, the pin's got a nice little top on it. So I'll find the hole. This is the back of the cam. We'll push it through the back of the cam. And that'll sit in there just nicely. Put your cam back on. Line up your holes. And there he is now, sitting up out of the back of the cam. He was in there. Now he's poking up through the back. Drop your screws in. Get ready to put it all together. But remember, put your key in, unlock the lock, because if you don't and you put it in there and you slam it all shut, God knows what will happen. Do up your retaining screw. Close them all up. Now you have dead bolted padlock, key retaining padlock, whichever you prefer. There you go. 234s if you got one. Just have a play around and have a go. Alright, see you later.